Hello everyone, this is a GMC Syclone, 1991 GMC Syclone, made by Johnny Lightning. As you probably know, if you own any Johnny Lightning car product, they're really good quality. They take the time and put the little details that other brands won't do, they do. Usually the paint quality they put is really good and it's different. Also the rims, they always, or the tires, I keep saying rims like these are real cars, but I'm talking about the toy car right now. They are really good quality, they're different, they stand out. They usually look like custom made. And always they put these little details on the car itself. You know, the grill is black, it's different from the rest of the car. The headlights are painted in different colors so it stands out. The interior is very light color, which is really nice because you could see it. It stands out a lot. Really good car. It says Syclone in the bottom. It's in black but red letters. It even shows the fog lights. See in the bottom, those two dots right there, those are the fog lights of the car. Now, as you know, GMC Syclone was a special, I think it was like a 1 year or 2 year run from GMC. In real life, I'm talking about. And it was like a muscle car made type. You know, more stronger engine. Nowadays are well more wanted by collectors than the real GMCs because they were not common. Put that more in the middle. I think Johnny Lightning don't make these no more. I bought this many years ago. Really good quality. It's so detailed that you could even see the tailpipes, you know, the muffler. Really good. Anyone that owns a GMC Syclone have to have this toy as a decoration toy because it truly is a really well made toy. Johnny Lightning, don't ever change on your quality because it's worth paying those extra bucks. It's a little more expensive than those Matchbox and the Hot Wheels, but it's well worth it. It's a well worth vehicle, quality. This one even opens the hood. Let me try to open it. Probably see it. Let me hold on to this. There he goes. Let me know what you think about the video. Hope you like it. Subscribe to my page. Thumbs up. Welcome. Bye.